Manual FCS ceiling shade installation tutorial. Parts list. Rope. Fabric. Steel wire rope. Wire fastener. Screws. Pulleys. Hanging pulleys. Wire locks. Required installation tools. Phillips bit. Electric screwdriver. Measuring tape. Phillips screwdriver. Pliers. The following uses an example for illustration. Actual spacing should be adjusted as needed. Measure the fabric width, 75 centimeters. Calculate the installation spacing between the two horizontal pulleys. 75 centimeters minus 20 centimeters equals 55 centimeters. On the installation surface, determine and fix the installation point of the first horizontal pulley. Using the first pulley as a reference, measure the installation position of the second pulley 55 centimeters spacing with a measuring tape. Mark the position with a marker pen. Then secure the second horizontal pulley. Positioning the two front horizontal pulleys. Method 1. Use a level to align the vertical installation point on the front wall, based on the position of the first rear pulley. Method 2. Directly measure and fix the installation point of the first pulley from the front installation position using a measuring tape. Then measure and fix the position of the second pulley. The front horizontal pulleys are now installed and secured. The rear horizontal pulleys are now installed and secured. Insert one end of the steel wire rope into the front left horizontal pulley, then thread it out from the right side. Pull it to the rear end. Pass the steel wire rope from outside to inside through the rear left horizontal pulley and temporarily place it in the pulley groove. Similarly, pass the other side of the steel wire rope from outside to inside through the rear right horizontal pulley. Loosen the wire fasteners completely. Take a wire lock. Slide the lock onto the steel wire on one rear side. Then thread the steel wire through the closed end of the fastener. Thread the wire back through the lock. Leave an appropriate length and tighten the steel wire. On the other rear side, use a wire lock to create a loop that can fit into the fastener. Tighten the locks on both sides. Secure the locks firmly with pliers. Cut off any excess steel wire. Gradually tighten the fastener with a screwdriver until the steel wire is taut. At the midpoint between the two rear horizontal pulleys, install one vertical pulley. Then, at the midpoint between the two front horizontal pulleys, Also, install one vertical pulley. Loosen the screws on all hanging pulleys. Insert the hanging pulleys onto each fabric support rod. It is recommended to install 2 hanging pulleys per rod. Starting from the last support rod, hang the hanging pulleys onto the steel wire rope one by one. When hanging, loosen one side of the hanging pulley, attach it to the steel wire, and then secure it back in place. Measure the distance between the 2 sides of the steel wire rope, for example, 49 centimeters. Calculate the distance from the hanging pulley to the edge of the fabric. Fabric width 75 centimeters minus steel wire spacing 49 centimeters divided by 2 equals 13 centimeters. This means the hanging pulleys on both the left and right sides should each be 13 centimeters from the fabric edge. Adjust the positions of the hanging pulleys accordingly. Once adjusted, tighten all hanging pulley screws. The last support rod can remain temporarily unfixed. Hang the last support rod onto the rear steel wire and secure it. Fold the rope in half. Find the center point. Use a nail to pierce through and create a hole. Pass one end of the rope from top to bottom through the rear vertical pulley. Pull it to the middle position. Secure the screws at the center of the rope to the first front support rod. Pass the other end of the rope from top to bottom through the front vertical pulley. Neatly arrange the rope. Installation complete.